Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Diane, the owner of Vermont Lavender, where I make a lot of skincare, bath and body care products, and I specialize with the scent of lavender because it's very calming and it's relaxing. So thank you for joining me today. Let's get going. Okay, so for this one, this is the hands and body. It's a lemon lavender gift set. So I have lemon lavender soap and I have a lavender lotion stick. I have a lavender lip balm and then the cuticle salve. And so she came in, I had a customer come in, and I didn't have any more of these, so we did a little bit of a special order. So you'll see me package that up. But this is for this one right here. And I think I'm going to cut that in half. So this is nice. It has a nice, beautiful red ribbon that I tie, and it looks very, very pretty. But this gives you some ideas of how to put together some of the gift boxes that you could do for your company, or if you're just interested in some of the gift sets that I offer. I had my label on there. That's like the first thing I did, and the reason is it's nice and level and it's very simple to put on. So you just put it right together. See how easy that is? You always make sure you pop these out. This is it right here. It's all set to go, and I'm going to wrap this in some purple tissue paper, and that's how I ship it. And she's going to come in, she's going to pick this up, but this is how I would normally do it anyway. This one here is a special order. So this one will include the soap, and it has the lotion stick, the lip balm, and then it has a shower steamer, and it has a hand lotion in it. So I'm going to put that together. So these are some other gift ideas that you can offer to your customers, or if you are interested yourself, just come in the store and I can put some gift boxes together for you. You can just pre-order them and just come back later. Give me a chance to get them all set. Or you can just send me an email, or you can order them online and I can have them ready for you to pick up. Alright, so I'm going to put on some music and let you see how I put this together. This is how I'm going to give it to her, because she's going to come in, she's going to pick up the items, and this is it. This is the one with the cuticle, and this has the shower steamer, so they'll be labeled. And then I have this, so if you're interested in watching any of these videos on how I put them together, I'll put them in the description below. And also I have one that's very similar to this. It's on the Foot Care Spa box, and that's a really nice gift to give around Mother's Day or like for Christmas or birthdays. It's awesome. Women really enjoy it, and it has the bath salts in it. So thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help to get it out into the YouTube algorithm. And so I'll see you next time. Thanks for joining me. I'm Diane from Vermont Lavender. Bye for now.